Let's review some of the key features on the Hoover commercial backpack. The chiropractor-designed harness assembly includes the frame, back support padding, waistband, and the shoulder straps. The top dome lid can be adjusted for right or left hand vacuuming. It can be removed by releasing the two side latches. Inside, there's a dust bag that can be removed, emptied, and reused. A hypercone HEPA filter can also be removed, tapped clean, and reused. An external motor filter at the bottom can also be removed, cleaned, and replaced. There is a convenient on-off power switch. It also has a long 48-foot 3-wire quick disconnect SJT power cord. The power cord is attached to the pigtail and is looped through a cord restraint to prevent it from coming apart during operation. You also get extension wands and a full set of tool attachments for vacuuming carpets, bare floors, and a wide range of above-floor cleaning jobs. Plus, it comes with Hoover's 2-year commercial warranty. Let's review some of the key features on the Hoover commercial backpack. The chiropractor-designed harness assembly